Hey guys, wanted to show you my new grill and grill cover actually. They were bought separately. The grill cover is a heavy cover that came from Walmart. Very affordable, about 15 bucks. So let's go ahead and uncover it. Okay. It is a charcoal grill. It's called FlamePro by Glow. It has this nice little tray down here that folds down for ease of storage, but it will also fold up for another prep space. And I love the thermometer there. Very nice. You can tell exactly what temperature is in there, so when you're cooking your chicken or steaks or whatever, it's easier to time it. You've got the smokestack there, and down on the side there is another vent. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, looking inside, we do have the warming tray right here. And then down here, we have two removable grates, cast iron grates. And down in the bottom is the charcoal pan. And on the sides here, you can see, you can adjust those. You can bring the charcoal up closer, or you can leave it down. Nice cooking area, very wide. And a very easy pan to work with as far as emptying it. As you can see, let me take one of the grates off. Okay, as you can see down in here, you have a space here at the end, so that when you're ready to empty, you just lift that out and tilt it to one side and empty all of your ash. So it's been a really, really nice grill. I know we're kind of just hitting summer, but they still have plenty grills out there, so I did want to show you this one in case you were in the market for a grill. It came from Lowe's, very reasonably priced. So anyway, guys, I did want to share this with you, and I hope you have a great summer. Bye.